Hey everybody, Dr. Jamie. Welcome to my channel if it's your first time here or if you're visiting me for the second or third time. Anyway, we are doing abdominals today on this fun ball. It's Friday afternoon, so it's a good time to sort of bounce and just chill out. Everybody cannot do planks, and oftentimes people can't do crunches either, and the reason is they don't have any abdominals, or they have shoulder issues, or they have back issues. And having an alternative is great that's safe and easy to start. The ball gives you that for abdominals. A few weeks ago I did some standing abs, and I'll put the link to that at the end of this. But let's look at sitting on the ball. It's really easy. All you do is sit on the ball. And then I like to slide down a little bit, and I do that by kind of walking forward just a hair. And that puts the ball into my low back a little bit, and it actually gives me some support in my back. And incidentally, this is a functional position because we actually do a lot of stuff in the sitting position. So learning to have or teaching the body standing strength and sitting strength is really functionally important. Okay, and so let's say you're incredibly weak in your abs. Well, you don't have to do much. You can just go back a little bit and then sit up. It doesn't hurt the neck because you're not having to use momentum to pull your body up with weak abs. You just go as far back as you're comfortable with. This can also be done on the floor, but I just don't think it's as comfortable. But you only go as far as you feel comfortable. You could start out by going about as far as I did, and then eventually going a little bit farther. Because you all know when you hit that point where you go, oh, that's a struggle for me, I'm gonna come back up. And when you start, always make sure you pull those lower abs in a little bit, because that'll help support your back. Keep your chin down when you do them. And also, if you put your tongue in the roof of your mouth, it actually helps to relax the muscles a little bit in here. So this is just what it looks like. And you can put your hands anywhere you're comfortable. You can go as far back or not as you want to. And just do, starting out like 10 reps, and keep doing that every day, and you'll build up some strength. And before you know it, you'll be going all the way back on the ball. And you'll be nice and strong in your abs, and you'll be able to sit up. All right, guys, next time we're going to actually do a ball series, so keep an eye out for that. That's coming really soon. Don't forget to hit the like button. If this was useful for you, or leave a comment, let me know. I love getting comments. All right, guys, thanks. Take care. Bye.